A Nod to God.
Adam and Eve. God was so pleased with all that he'd made, he decided to share it with a man and a maid. So he gathered the dust and rolled it around and made man alive from the dirt of the ground. Poor Adam was lonely. He craved a mate. He wanted a woman. He wanted a date. So out of Adam, God took a rib, and that was the beginning of women's lib. The Garden of Eden was their new home. It was quite a sight. They were free to roam. All that was there they were free to eat, except of one tree, which could be a treat. The serpent slid in and made his pitch. He said God was wrong and made Eve itch to be like God and know good from evil. And that was what started the whole upheaval. It was so good, she called Adam to share, and listening to her would be his burden to bear. Their eyes were opened to their naked state, and they hid from God, awaiting their fate. God was upset, and he wanted to know why. They knew they were naked, exposed to the eye. It was Eve, said Adam. It was the serpent, said Eve. But God knew the truth, and he said, you must leave. You no longer can live in paradise. You will labor and sweat and pay a great price. You will be scattered upon the earth, and in great pain your children you'll birth. So Adam and Eve left the perfect garden they would ever seek to achieve God's pardon.